So inside the kidney, when we take longitudinal section inside the kidney, there are two zones. Outer zone is known as the cortex and the inner region is known as the inner zone is known as medulla. You can see triangular structures are present in the medullary region. So the medulla or medullary region is divided into a few conical masses, and these conical masses are known as medullary pyramids. So medullary zone is it consists of 15 to 16. It consists of 15 to 16 triangular structures which are known as the medullary pyramids. Now you can see in between the medullary pyramids the lighter zone. This was of the cortex. The cortex zone, it extends between the medullary pyramids. So these structures, the part of the cortex region which extend in between the medullary pyramid is known as the column of Bertini. So this structure is known as the column of Bertini. This one. So the region of the cortex which extend between the medullary pyramid is known as the column of Bertini or renal column. These medullary pyramids, they open into a projection known as calyx. So all medullary pyramids, they open into a projection known as calyx. You can see these brown structures. These are the calyx. Now the calyx, they open into a wider funnel shaped structure. You can see this is the mouth of the funnel. It makes like a mouth of funnel. So these calyx, they open into a funnel shaped structure known as the renal pelvis. So the renal pelvis, it is a funnel shaped structure which has the opening of calyx on the inner side, and in it has the opening of the renal artery, renal vein and ureter. So renal pelvis is a funnel shaped structure. It has the opening of the calyx. Calyx in turn, they are connected with the medullary pyramids which are present in the medullary zone of the kidney, and in between the medullary pyramids they have the extension of the cortex region as renal column or column of Bertini. So this was the internal structure of the kidney. So once again we revise. Internal structure of the kidney, it consists of the two zones, that is the outer is cortex and inner is medulla. Medullary region, it consists of 15 to 16 conical structures known as the medullary pyramids. In between the medullary pyramids, cortex region forms an extension known as renal column or column of Bertini. B-E-R-T-I-N-I, column of Bertini. Then these renal pyramids or medullary pyramids, they open into a projection known as calyx. And these calyx, they open into a funnel shaped structure known as renal pelvis. I hope the structure of kidney is clear to